so excited. Risata sent us 2 of their new flavored wines and we're gonna be tasting them for you today.
So we have the Risata Peach and the Risata Blueberry. I'm excited about these wines because they are made in Italy. And as you know, everything made in Italy is a quality product. The Italians know what they're doing up there.
We've tried their wines before. We love them. We make cocktails with them and we're definitely going to be making some cocktails with these and maybe we'll come up with some ideas today.
Yep. We definitely will. Also, I'm a big fan of their name. Risata just means laughter, and I love to laugh.
Cue outtakes. You're making me laugh.
This wine is perfect for me.
So let's crack these open. Which one do you want to try first?
The peach.
Let's go.
Fill me up with laughter.
It smells so good. I already can smell the peach.
Yes.
It smells amazing. I'm excited.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bing. Oh my God.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
really good.
That's so good.
Whoa.
This is a perfect dessert wine for sure.
How much alcohol is in this?
The alcohol percentage? 5.5.
I'm heavily invested right now. I love it.
Bursting with flavors of bright, juicy peaches and a hint of apricot.
I think yes.
Light-bodied and crisp on the finish.
And it's a little bubbly. It is a little bubbly. I like that.
Ooh, picture this with like in a sangria with some peaches in there, some mint. Some orange juice, or a spritz.
Yes, I was thinking
spritzer.
the same thing.
Even an Aperol spritz I think would be really great with this one.
So this is a good wine to pair with some salad, fresh fruit, cake, dessert. This is what it says right on the bottle.
And they're not lying.
I agree.
It would go perfectly with all of those things. And I love that Risata wines are so affordable. The bottles range around 15 bucks.
I also like that it's a twist off. You don't even need a bottle opener. I love that life.
I do love me a twist off too, I'm guilty.
It's time for the red.
Let's go.
I'm pumped.
Ooh, such a pretty color.
The blueberry is coming on strong.
You smell it right away.
It's like heavy blueberry.
Wow. I
yeah.
love this one.
Oh yeah. Tastes like dessert.
It's like blueberry juice.
It literally is blueberry juice. It's like sparkling blueberry juice. It does not taste like wine.
It's so good.
Is there alcohol in this? Because I don't taste it, but I definitely feel it, which is like the best. So if you guys want to pair this with some food, meats, fresh cheese, fresh fruits, and some desserts, and I agree, that would be fire with all of this.
This would make the most perfect sangria. I know I said it about this one, but now I'm really feeling this one.
Yeah, this Aperol Spritz, yes. Sangria, the red. Go buy it. Just go buy it. I told you the Italians knew what they were doing. You guys are gonna love this.
And I can't wait to make some cocktails with this.
So cheers to that.